Alright guys, the last video for today on the Sentra. Another unboxing video from Joe at 2jracing. He sent me this. I told him the parts that I needed and he had them all in stock and shipped them pretty quickly to me. So thank you, Joe, from 2jracing. There are quite some parts that I am going to replace, but a lot of it I'm reusing. And this box is exactly what I need to get it to my friend to start putting this motor together. I think this is the last thing I need. All I need is the cams, but the cams can get slapped on a little bit later. But for the bottom end and all that good stuff, I need this box. Joe on point with this packaging. Let's see. This is the signal wheel. If you guys remember the video of taking apart my motor, it was stuck. And it was stuck due to the machine shop not Loctiting those bolts. So right here, I have new bolts, and the trigger wheel is right in here. There it is. This is what got stuck in my last motor and seized it, because the bolts backed out. No thanks to Larry's Machine Shop in Tucson, Arizona. Don't ever use them. That's the trigger wheel. This is, I don't know what this is. Tensioner? Yes. The OEM timing tensioner right here. And ACL bearings. I got the full set for the rods and pistons. The rods and crank. I got the full set. So this should work out great. And let's see what else I got in here. A new timing cover, because the oil pump is built in. It's all in here, as weird as that is, but it's all right here. Comes with the new seal. So, timing cover with that has the oil pump. So I wanted to replace the oil pump. Just because I had a lot of metal in my motor, so I went with the new one. And not only did I get that, I got the same gasket that I was using before. It's a cometic tri-layer, I believe it is. Yeah. So cometic gasket MLS. So I got another one, and this one was 30 thousandths thicker, I think. If I said that wrong, I don't know. I might have said that wrong. But the cometic head gasket. And this is ready to go to my friends. So I might actually go over to him tonight to retune the Galant on bigger injectors for Streetcar Takeover tomorrow. But if you guys keep up with all my videos, you guys will get all the little details here and there of what's going on with the other cars. But I might go over there. I'm debating if I want to take the motor and drop it off or just wait for another day. But I kind of want to get everything so I don't make an extra trip. So I do want to wait for those cams to get in here. But that's everything, guys. Sentra is ready to get put back together. The motor is ready to go. So stay tuned. More videos to come. As always, like, subscribe, share the video. The Sentra will be back in turboed. I'm actually getting more parts today for it. the upper oil pan and some turbo goodies for it. But like I said, like, subscribe, share, and you guys will keep getting more and more videos of the 3 builds I have. So thank you guys.